Headed to a ghost town in Grafton. A little off-road adventure here through the Utah desert near Zion. Big wildfire raging down the mountains over there. Ghost town.
This is the schoolhouse?
Grafton, Utah.
This is where you go to school now.
This is your guys' new school. Here we are, ghost town in Grafton.
Are we gonna go in?
We're thinking about entering this building. Okay. I don't know what that noise is.
Don't come up any further.
Ghostly. Ghost town house.
On that floor side, it just went like under your feet.
Pretty cool.
These people apparently used to live here.
Yeah.
Silver Reef ghost town.
We don't know what kind is.
It's a ghost town remnant.
It's very ghosty.
Ghost town jail. Gonna put the boys in here. Utah. Virgin River. Quick unscheduled stop here for a swim, I guess. It's like maybe boys have caught some stuff.
Watch where you're stepping.
There's tiny frogs. Be careful.
Copy.
Spider? That spider is running on water.
Where? Over here. See that?
Valley of Fire State Park in Nevada. At Laurel Rock with ancient petroglyphs on it.
There's a snake over here. A petroglyph snake.
Okay.
Very cool.
What can we see? I see goats.
Lots of goats.
Mom, there's hidden petroglyphs over here.
It's a little bit hot out here today. Someone's gonna guide me so I don't trip, so I can get everybody's face on here.
There's a bush behind you.
Yes, you better run into a bush.
Hot out here today.
And we're
It
just
is
walking
hot. It's like
backwards on the
105.
sandy trail.
Well, it's desert training. Valley of Fire. Cave dwellers from the Pleistocene era in this cave.
This is cool.
We're
Hello, cave dwellers.
Sounds.
Cave dweller sounds.
Sounds.
See that scorpion checking sounds. That's good.
Elephant Rock. It's been here for probably 500 million years. Slowly changing over time. And the general assessment of our family on this is?
It doesn't look like an elephant.
Not impressed.
We've seen cooler stuff.
Hot.
Yeah. Very hot.
All right, this would normally all be underwater. See over there as well. off to the dam. Dam. What do you have to say about that?
Damn.
Dam.
That's why it's 100.
Dude, we're in this concrete of the dam. Damn.
That's crazy.
Damn.
Yep.
That actually sucks so bad if you drop them.
Sure. There's other people behind me.
Turn around, people.
Are you recording?
There we go. Can we do that?
That's so justly cool, dude.
Damn.
That thing's gonna say bye bye.